Hi, I'm Emily, the Petite Beauty Blogger, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to ombre lips in 2 different ways. For those who don't know what ombre means, ombre is when you take 2 or more colours and blend them together so they're like a gradient. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go off camera and I'm just going to do a base around my lips because that's the boring part and you want to get to the colour and the fun. For these 2 looks I'll be using these 4 colours. For the first look I am going to be using more budget friendly makeup. So I've got Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade Movie, and then I've got the I Heart Makeup lipstick in the shade Lip Lava. And for the second look it's going to be using these 2, which are a bit more pricey. You've got the Melted Gold by Too Faced, and that is going to be just bright gold and fabulous. And then you've got Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo K. For my first look I'm going in with these 2 lipsticks. Of course this one's Makeup Revolution in Movie, and this one is the I Heart Revolution Lip Lava. And what I'm going to use the colour Movie for the outer edges of my lips, and then I'm going to use the Lip Lava to go in the centre. Now this is one type of ombre where it's going to be a spotlight in the middle and it's going to ombre inwards. So, and this is a good one for when you're trying to plump up your lips and make them look more luscious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get started. I've got the Movie, which is a gorgeous deep browny red. Can't really see as much red on camera as you can in real life, but it's gorgeous. I wear this sometimes just on its own in winter and autumn because it's a gorgeous deep brown. And there we go. And don't forget, if you have gone wrong you can go in concealer to fix it, which is what I'm going to do in a second. Now I am going to move on to the middle colour, which is the I Heart Revolution Lip Lava. It doesn't seem to have a shade name, so I'm guessing it's just called Lip Lava. But Lip Lava is a super intense liquid lipstick formula with nourishing vitamin E. So, and what I love about this lipstick is it's perfect for just a very quick lip or in the middle because it's got a nice little brush for the centre. You can see, and the liquid comes out of the middle like that. And all I'm going to do, I don't want to put too much product into the brush because I don't want to have too much product in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly tap in the middle and I'll show you how to do it as I go along. So I did just go off camera and I tidied up the edges with concealer, and that has fixed any little mistakes I made. And as you can see, my lips look so much plumper, and that was without the use of filler. So if you can create this look at home at the price of about £10 for both lipsticks, then why not? And for the second ombre look, I'm going in with 2 lipsticks. The first one I'm going in with is Too Faced Melted Gold in Pure Gold, and then the red I'm going to be using is Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo K. And for this ombre look, I'm putting gold on the top and then red on the bottom, and then I'm just going to blend them out in the middle. Now, the Melted Gold by Too Faced is a lip gloss, so it will not dry matte, and that is just a warning. But the Kylie Cosmetics is more of a matte, so I'm just going to tell you that. Right, so starting off with the top lip, this is so completely different to any lipsticks I own, and it's amazing. You'll know what I mean when I use it. There we go, now I've done the top lip. Don't worry if you've got some gold on the bottom, because that's going to all help with the blending. So for the bottom lip, I am going to be going in with that Mary Jo K. Now I've done that, all I'm going to literally do is just pat my lips in the middle, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger. We're getting there, and if you feel like you have taken off too much, you can go back in. Now you can blend it out with a brush, but I find it a lot easier and quicker to do it with my finger. Now for this bit, I don't want to fully smudge my lips together, because that lipstick is more of a lip gloss. It's just going to mix in with the red, and it's not going to make it, it's going to basically get rid of it all. And go back in with my finger. And here is the completed second look. Now as you can tell, it's not exactly your everyday makeup look. This is more fun, bold, maybe at Halloween or a costume party. This would be really good for The Greatest Showman or any, you know, theme like that, or maybe like a fiery theme, like a dragon. But yeah, obviously that gold is insane. That is the Too Faced melted gold in pure gold, and that red is one of my favourite reds. That is the Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo case. It's one of the OGs and it's one of my favourite reds. I'm just obsessed with it. It's more of a orangey red, which is why I think it goes well with the gold so well. Now what is fun with these looks is that you can do whatever colour you want. You can do it either way, so you can either do it, obviously I did gold to red, you could do red to gold, you could do it loads of different colours. Maybe you can do a third colour in the middle. If you know me, you know I'm into my bold lipstick. So maybe this might be a new Christmas look. Maybe do gold in the middle like I did on the first look and do red on the outside. That might be fun. It might add a bit of moisture because of the gloss and not too matte. So add a little sparkle and shine.
Ombre lip tutorials. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you learned something, because that's what I love about these videos, is that maybe I can teach you something and maybe you can teach me something. And as always, stay safe, and yeah, I'll see you soon.
And thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you try out how to do ombres. If you've never done it before, then good luck. But if you have, then have fun, you know, just have fun no matter what. And obviously if you do learn anything and you practice and you take pictures and put them on Instagram, please tag me at Petite Beauty Blogger, or you can message me on my Facebook at facebook.com/MUA by Emily. And as always, if you like the video, please comment below. If there's any feedback, please comment below and like it, and if you can, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.